Hey guys, welcome back. So I was thinking I haven't done a hot glue mold in a while, so here you go. So I'm just showing you how I basically layered each mold. I kind of did them differently because I was just curious on how the mold would act once I started releasing them. I decided to show you three, one of the original and two of the hot glue molds so that you can see the consistency. It's going to be very imperative that you have some baby oil because it will help to release the mold pretty quickly. You can even apply the oil before you go to demolding because once you start tugging at it, it will go ahead and start seeping in and will be pretty easily for you to pull out. They are kind of difficult to get out, so that's why it's imperative to have the baby oil. It was quicker for me to get the last one out because that's when I realized, oh, I can apply the baby oil before I start to demold and it would just kind of slide out. It took me about 10 minutes to demold all three of these. Just a little cleanup and there you have it. See you guys next week.